In this video, I will show you how to transfer Google Photos to pen drive. Let's get started. So first of all, here I am on my Google Photos page, and I want to download some of my photos. Start by selecting all the photos you want to download. I'm going to select the ones I want now. Once you've selected your photos, click on the three little dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down, you'll see an option that says Download. Click on that. Now Google Photos will begin downloading all your selected images. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or wherever the file was saved. You'll see a file there. Now open the folder and select all the photos inside. Now simply drag and drop them into your pen drive or USB drive folder. You can also right-click and choose Copy, then go to your USB drive and click Paste. You'll see the files start to copy over, and within a few seconds or minutes, depending on the size, your photos will be transferred to your pen drive. And that's it. If this video helped you, now it's your turn to help me. Just hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.